Hi, it's Beth Fantazzi, the Assistive Tech OT. I am here today to tell you all about the Read and Write extension, which is a product from Text Help. So if you Google Read and Write extension, you'll have this. And again, as always, I already have it installed. So mine says remove from Chrome, but if you do not have it installed already, yours would say add to Chrome. So I already have it there, and you can see over here that the little purple puzzle piece with an RW is the Read and Write extension. Now, the really cool thing about Read and Write is that it is free for teachers. So if you are a teacher, or a district occupational therapist like me, then you can get it for free. So this is the website, and this is just the assortment of products that they have. So if you do need to create an account. And so I created an account with my district information. So I have the full version for free. If you are a student, then you can try all of the features for free for 30 days. And it will come up with a little countdown for how many days that you have left. The pricing for Text Help. So if you are I believe it is a little over $100 for one license. And then if you have your district buy a license for every member of the district, it goes down to like a couple of dollars per person. But I do want to just show the features here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the little purple, and you can see the toolbar came up. So there are a multitude of options here. They have word prediction. They can do text to speech, dictionary, picture dictionary. There is even one that you can speech recognition. There's one over here where you can record yourself reading and send it to your teacher. You can highlight different things, and then it allows you to collect the highlights and create a Google document. There's also a screen window. So I'm going to briefly go through all of these options. So let's try
unlocking potential through innovative technology. Creating smart, inclusive technology that helps people read, write, express their thoughts, and share information more accurately.
So that's that. Now, if you highlight a word and you click on the dictionary, it'll define it, and then you can also play it.
Inclusive. Adjective. Including much or everything, and especially including stated limits.
But here's just like in Microsoft Immersive Reader, the really cool thing is that if you click on the picture,
inclusive,
it'll give you the picture dictionary version, which is really great. You also can highlight just a part and then hit play.
Creating smart, inclusive technology that helps.
And you can pause it,
people read,
unpause it, and stop it. This is a screenshot reader audio maker, so you can actually highlight a section. So if we're going to do creating smart inclusive technology, and we do this, it will actually create, you can see down here, it created an audio file of the information that was spoken. There is a screen mask here, and you can change the settings on that. So you can make it a smaller or larger. You can change the opacity of what your the reading light. You can change the background, so you can totally make it so that nothing else is showing. You can change the colors. So that's a really cool option there. Let me cancel out of here. So you can translate. So let's say we wanted to translate the solutions for the workplace.
Soluciones para el área de trabajo.
So that's pretty cool. So now if I wanted to, say I wanted to highlight and that in yellow, and I want to highlight this in green, highlight this in blue, and highlight this in pink. Now, if I click on collect the highlights, so what it's going to do is it is going to collect the highlights in a document here. And then it's going to also give me the site that it was from. So that's pretty awesome. There is also a simplify page, which is really great because it will remove a lot of the extraneous stuff and make it easier to read. So that also is a cool, and you can adjust how simple. You can change the colors of it. So that also is a really great feature. I'm just going to go over to a Google document here, and I'm going to show how the word prediction works. So
There
you can see that it's
was nothing, a little bit, girl with who was a born on March, his her knees, then face way B.
so then we can if we hit play.
The first time I was going to make a difference for the students, there was a little girl who was born on her own.
So again, those are just some of the features of Read and Write. Again, this is free for educators. You can have the full version. If you are not an educator, like if you wanted to use this for one of your students, they would get the free trial for 30 days. And I believe there are some limited features available after the 30 days. So it's a nice option. It integrates with Google Chrome, and there are also available iPad apps and desktop versions. So it is a nice little tool. Again, it does cost a little over $100 if you are getting a license for someone who is not an educator. So I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I would be happy to help you problem solve and come up with some ideas. You can email me at theassistivetechot@gmail.com, or you can contact me on Instagram at theassistivetechot. Thank you so much. Have a great day.